What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Happy Wednesday. This is your midweek motivational video for your day. Hope you guys are doing well. It is halfway to the weekend, you guys. We are almost there. You guys, it is like 82 degrees in Jersey, excuse me, and I love it. I am so glad to finally get some warm weather. I was so happy when I was able to wear my sandals outside today. I ate my lunch outside in front of my door on the steps. I went to go get my car inspected, you guys, because it was like almost a year overdue. Anyway, but nonetheless, I enjoyed the first half of my day. So days like this really put me in a really good mood. I feel really productive today. Not that I don't feel productive any other day, but it's one of those days where this is my rest day from the gym, so I'm getting stuff done, which makes me feel good always. So with that being said, you guys, I did a little bit of spring cleaning in my car. I was just putting away so much junk, and I'm pretty sure I'm not the only one that just throws stuff in the glove compartment and then it ends up getting to the point where you have to like close it twice before it actually stays closed. Yeah, I was one of those people. So I did a little cleaning. So that makes me feel good. That made me feel good. And that kind of goes with what I was talking to you guys about the other day about decluttering yourself, decluttering your space. It's like every time I went in my car, I knew it was there. It didn't bother me because I didn't see it, but because I knew in my head that it was there. It's something that bothers me every time I go in my car. And that's not the way that I want to drive and run my errands. And and that's just something small compared to other things that people go through mentally or physically or whatever the case may be. But that's just a prime example of how good it feels to declutter your space. And so this, I guess, is like a spring cleaning encouragement part 2, because I did one called Spring Clean Your Space or Spring Clean Your Mind or Spring Cleaning, whatever. But yeah, you guys, I don't know what it is, but the summertime, spring is here, the warm weather is coming, summer is coming, and I don't know about you, but when the warm weather comes, it just puts a little pep in my step. Like it just gets me out of funks. It just makes me want to go enjoy my day, whether it's grounding, putting your feet on grass outside, or taking a walk, or just parking in front of a river or the beach, whatever the case may be. But it's always good. It's always like feel good weather. I'm always up for feel good weather. And today is one of them. Tomorrow's going to be another 80-degree day. Friday's going to be another 80-degree day. And no, I'm not going to the beach, but I'm going to be working out and getting trained twice. So yeah, I'll be finishing the week off strong with my workouts. And we'll see what the weekend brings. But other than that, you guys, just a few things. I did finish The Falcon and the Winter Soldier, so go and check out my review for the final episode. I am going to be jumping back on Dragon Ball today, so hopefully you guys tune in for that. And you guys let me know, or maybe I'll put it in the review after I'm done with the next episode. But I want you guys to let me know, are you guys okay with me reviewing every single episode? Like, do you guys enjoy going for that ride with me and just kind of, letting you know where my mind is with how this is going? Or is there another way that you prefer me giving you guys my review for that? Let me know in the comments down below. But anyway, so spring cleaning, you guys, I don't want to ramble on about the whole spring cleaning. I don't want to, drill that in your head, but I just want to remind you guys how important it is to keep your mind free of anything that doesn't belong. We are living in crazy times, and I'll just leave it at that, because you guys know I don't talk about certain things on my channel. But we are living in some crazy times, and there is so much going out in the world, and there's people who feel like, this has been happening forever and it's just coming to light, or just new things that are happening in life right now that we're seeing. Whatever the case may be, it is bringing on a lot of stress, anger, fear, concern. every day is something. Every day is something. But that's life. That's life. You know, whether you live somewhere where you rarely hear anything bad, or whether you live in a place where bad news is always the norm. You know what I mean? But we are living in some crazy times. And the last thing that you need to do is to clutter your mind with things that don't belong, on top of you just living your life and hearing or seeing things happening in the world. So I just want to, encourage you guys that if there's anything that you are holding on to, whether it's emotionally, mentally, spiritually, I encourage you to find a way to let that go. Let that go, because in these times that we're living now, we're living in some stressful times, no matter how you look at it. And I feel like it's just super important for you to have a good amount of space in your mind to deal with life and to deal with your life. You may sit back and say, oh, well, a lot of things that are happening now are not my concern or doesn't affect me, but it may affect somebody that it may affect your family member, it may affect somebody at work. You may see something pop up on your screen, not only once, but twice, but 5 times, 10 times. At some point, it's going to affect you. Maybe not in the way that it's affecting other people, but at the end of the day, it's in your face. You know what I mean? And so if you're the type of person that walks through life with a positive mindset, you want to continue to do that. And in order for you to do that, you want to have that free space in your mind to shift things around so you can be better equipped to deal with things of life. And if you're the type of person that you're always negative, or you say to yourself, oh, well, it's the story of my life. And usually when people say that, it's when something bad happens. And you don't want to speak that into your life. You don't want to own that type of lifestyle, that type of energy for your life. So if there's something, or if there's maybe even a way that you are not handling something and you know that there's a better way, fix it. Find resources, figure it out, write it down, journal, see therapy, whatever it is. You guys, I talk to you guys a lot about this because for one, now that I know so much about mental health and how important it is to keep your mental health healthy, because I've been through depression, I have suffered from anxiety for many, many years, to the point of being on different kind of meds for it. So I know what those dark places can do to you. I know what being in a dark place feels like. I know what it feels like to feel like there's nobody else dealing with it, or that I'm alone, or that nobody will understand. I know what it feels like to not want to talk to anybody about it, because I feel like maybe they think I'm crazy, or maybe they don't understand, or maybe they can't give me the advice that I'm seeking. I know what that is. And so, a lot of my motivational videos are, are kind of flying around the whole mental health thing, because I feel like in the times that we're living now, mental health should be your top priority. Should be your top priority. Even if you are married, you have a partner, you have children, you cannot pour out of an empty cup. You cannot give 100% of yourself if you are not 100%. Think about that. You can't give what you don't have. So you need to make sure that putting yourself first and making sure that your mental health is your top priority. It is not selfish, it is necessary. So you have to make sure that you're taking care of yourself. So definitely do a lot of spring cleaning. Now that it's really nice out, the warm weather is coming, drive to a park, sit in the grass, put your feet in the grass, ground yourself. Let go of anything that is not serving you any purpose, anything that is mentally holding you hostage. Let that go. I remember when someone said that in those words, and I'm like, wow, I started to realize how much I had in my mind that was holding me hostage mentally. And you would be surprised how much you've got on your mind that is holding you back from so much. And I just want to encourage you guys to find a way to let that go, whether it's through writing, through music, through art, through conversations. If, go out on a lunch date, a dinner date, having a few drinks, some coffee, whatever the case may be. Sorry, you guys, that's the house alarm, but I'm pretty sure you guys are used to it by now. But anyway, Tyrone just got home. But anyway, I want to encourage you guys to really like, is he gonna turn it off? So I just want to encourage you guys to really just seek that type of release for yourself. Release all the things that is holding you back, and I promise you, you will feel so much lighter. You will deal with life a lot better. You will see things a lot clearer. I'm telling you, because I speak that from personal testimony. All right, with that being said, leave your comments down below. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys are up to. Hope you guys are having a great day so far, and I hope you guys continue to have a great week. If you haven't done so, subscribe to my channel, hit like, share, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you guys can get notified whenever I pop up on your feed. I'll see you guys later. Toodles!